Hi team. So now practice session is GlideRecord. The question is how to join incident table with caller. So here two different tables are working because incident table is different and caller, that is user table, is different. How we can practice? By script background. In that, join the incident table with caller user table. So we need to create incident table and user table. So two tables we need to create, and then query. Then we are using loop. Then gs.info or print. By these 5 steps, we can get the result. So for how we can practice? By using script background, we can practice very easily. Script background. By typing script background in all section, it will come like this. So first we need to create the table for incident. For that purpose, where gr equal to new GlideRecord. New GlideRecord for what? For which table? For incident table. New GlideRecord for incident table. After that, ending of the line, we should end with the semicolon. Then that code will work. What's the meaning of? First, create GlideRecord for the incident table. Create GlideRecord object for the incident table. Then user table we need to declare. For that purpose, where join, because we are joining these two tables, where join equal to gr dot add join. Add gr dot add join. What we are joining? sys user, sys underscore user, and then caller ID. Short form of caller ID is the caller underscore ID. Caller ID is nothing but our caller name. Then after ending of the line, we should be ending with the semicolon. Then that line will come. After that, we are doing? Gr.query. Gr.query. Then semicolon. After that query, we should use loop, because here so many multiple records will be there. That's why we are using while loop. While gr.next, because gr.next means it will access or it will process next records one by one. Next, like that. One by one it will process in the database and give one by one results. Then open curly brackets. Finally, what information we need? gs.info or gs.print of incident number. No, how we can retrieve incident number? By entering gr.number. gr.number. Along with gr.number, we need to get caller information. No, that's why need to maintain spaces. After concatenation, plus name called as concatenation value. Then somewhat space caller. Then after that color, once again we should add concatenation plus value. Officially called as concatenation. gr GlideRecord. Caller underscore ID name. This is short form. Underscore ID dot name is a dot working of ID, caller ID. It will directly give the caller name. year dot number, checking whether it's correct or not, plus concatenate color, then semicolon, give space, year dot color underscore id dot name. Name should be not cap, any name, or also no problem. Then close the code, then format the code, then here run script. Yes, exactly, it's correct. See, these are all colors because we are mixing two tables, incident table and user table. This is the incident table, this is user table. Left side is the incident table. See here, where gr equal to new GlideRecord incident. So we are retrieving we are providing variable for the incident table. We are declaring variable for incident table. Create GlideRecord for the GlideRecord object for the incident table. Then where join equal to, it adds a join between incident caller, incident.caller and sysuser. So incident table is different, sysuser table is different. So incident table will joins with the user table, sysuser table. So the result came like this: incident table and sysuser table. This is the sysuser table. This is the incident table. So here we combined. This is the incident table and this is the sysuser table. Here we are joining. And gs.query is common. It will query the database. While gr.next is the loop. One by one it will process. One by one record it will process. gs.info it will print. Instead of info, we can use print, gs.print option. Same result will come. Same result it came. This much of incidents with caller IDs or caller ID names. Caller ID nothing but the name of the caller who is raised the incident. For example, if we will check this incident, then caller ID name will come. Survey user Joe employee will check. INC 0044. Control C. Incident all. Here the number. I think my screen is stuck. See, Joe employee is there. Here, Joe employee. INC 0000 Caller is Joe employee. See, 0000 Joe employee. Then once again we'll check with the other user. INC 007. Betty Luby. Like this way we can practice very easily. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Thanks to all.